welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So we were discussing about a specimen paper for the exam from 2025. So exam code is 0580 and we were discussing question number 15. So we discussed till question number 15 in the first part. So we are starting with question number 16 in part 2. So a student measures the height 8 centimeter of each of 400 plants. The cumulative frequency diagram shows the result. So you can see the cumulative frequency diagram. In y-axis they have given cumulative frequency and in x-axis they have given the height of the plants. So use the diagram to find an estimate for the median. So how to find the median if the cumulative frequency graph is given? So to find median you have to take n over truth value. Okay, so n over truth value. So what is capital N? Capital N is the total frequency or total number of plants, whatever is given in the question. So the total number will be capital N. So here you can see the graph and write capital N is 400. Otherwise, in the beginning itself they have given 400 plants. So capital N is 400. So what we have to do is to find the median, we will take n over truth value, that is n is 400. So 400 over 2, that is 200th value. That means use your ruler and use your pencil, and from 200 we have to draw a line like this and see the corresponding height in x-axis. So use your ruler and pencil and draw the height. Sorry, see the corresponding height. So the median is 30. Okay, all the steps you can write here in the space provided. Since this question, the first question is only 1 mark, no need to write the steps. You can just write the answer, that is 30 centimeter. Okay, so second question is the interquartile range. To find the interquartile range, we have upper quartile minus lower quartile. See, for median we found n over 2. Instead of taking n over 2, you can take 50% of n, then take the corresponding value. Okay, you will get the same answer. So, first we will find upper quartile. Okay, upper quartile. To find upper quartile, you can find 75% of n, then find the corresponding value in the x-axis. Otherwise, you can take 3n over 4. Okay, so 3 times what is capital N? We already got 400 divided by 4. 4 and 400 you can cancel, so you will get 100 here. So 3 times 100 is 300. So you need to check in y-axis, take the corresponding value from 300 and check what is the value in x-axis, or what is the height in x-axis corresponding to 300 in y-axis. So here we don't have exact 300, so what we have to do is we will find out one line is how much in y-axis. So see here, from 0 to 40 the total is 40, and how many partitions are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 partitions, that is 40 over 5, that is 8. That means one line represents 8. Okay, so one line represents 8, that means 8, 16, 24, like that it will go. Okay, so here we have we need to find 300. So we have 280. So 280 plus 8 is 288. So the first line is 288. So 288 plus 8 is 296. So second line is 296. Okay, this is 296. Okay, then next line is 296 plus 8, you will get 304. So we just need 300. 300 is exactly in the middle of 296 and 304. Okay, 304. So what you have to do is you have to use your ruler and draw a straight line. I hope I said 306 or 4. It's actually 304. Okay, so we will draw a straight line exactly in the middle. Okay, when you draw, use your ruler and draw the line. Okay, so you have to draw a line to exactly in the middle of both the lines and see the corresponding value in x-axis. Okay, use your ruler. So you will get exactly in between the two dotted lines. Okay, you will get the value almost here. Okay, so we have to find one line represents how much in x-axis. So here we have 10 divided by, they have divided it into 5 parts, so 10 over 5, that is 2. So one line represents 2, so here we have 30, 32, 34, 36, and not 38, so in between that, so you will get 37. Okay, so upper quartile is 37. Then we will find lower quartile. So to find lower quartile, we have you can find n over fourth value. Otherwise, you can find 25 percentage of n. Okay, so 25 percentage of n. So or n over 4, n is 400. 400 over 4 is 100. So we need to find out the 100th value. So let's see where we will get 100. Okay, so here we have 80. One line represents 8, right? So 80 plus 8, 88. 88 plus 8, we will get 96. So this is 96, and 96 plus 8 is 104. So 100 is exactly middle of that. So use your ruler and pencil and go exactly through the middle of these two lines and see the corresponding value in x-axis. Okay, you will get middle of these two dotted lines. Okay, then you have 10. In x-axis, one line represents 2. So 10, 12, we have 14, 16, but after 16, but before 18, so it is 17. So lower quartile you will get 17. So we have 37 minus lower quartile is 17, that is 20. Okay, all the steps you can write here. I will show you the marking scheme. See the marking scheme here. You can see they have given only exact answer. Okay, there is no range for the answer. So that means you should get these values. So what you have to do is whenever you are finding out a point, check properly. One line in x-axis represents how much, or one line in y-axis represents how much. And the next thing is very important, use ruler and pencil and draw exactly in the middle if you are getting some middle number. Okay, then only you will get exact answer. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. So we will move to the next part, 80th percentile. Okay, percentile, just think about percentage. How we will find percentage? 80 over 100, right? It is the same. 80th percentile means take 80 over 100 of n. What is capital N? Capital N is 400. Okay, so cancel the zeros. We have two zeros. Then 80 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. So we have 80. So 320. Okay, so find the corresponding value from x-axis to find the height. Okay, or 80th percentile. So we got 320. We have exactly 320. Thank God. So from there, use ruler and pencil and draw a line. See here, it is not touching the dotted line. It is just before the dotted line. You can just see it properly. Okay, so you will get the point almost just before 40. Okay, just before 40. Okay, just before 40. So you can write 39. Okay, just before 40. So 80th percentile is 39. Okay, so the answer is correct. Then we'll see next part, the number of plants with the height greater than 60 centimeter. So the height must be greater than 60 centimeter. So they are saying, I will change the color first. Okay, so height must be greater than 60. So greater than 60 means 60 to 80, right? So we need number of plants. So number of plants, this is only height. So number of plants will be the corresponding values in y-axis. So first point is here and second point is here. Okay, so we'll find out this value. So this is just after 360. So one line represents 8 in y-axis. So it is not 368. So it is before that. So we will just take 364. Okay, so 364, and for 80 we have 400. So you will get 400 minus we have 400 minus, what is the next value for 60? We got 364. So 364. So 400 minus 364 is 36. So we get 36. Okay. So just see the marking scheme. So in the marking scheme we have from 34 to 38. So we got 36. So the answer is correct. So 1 mark either if you have 362 to 366, you will get 1 mark. Okay. The next mark is for the final answer. So I hope this question is clear. So the A part is over. So now we will move to B part. The heights are also shown in the frequency table. Okay, you can see a table is given here. Then complete the histogram to show the information. So just see the histogram. So in histogram they have given frequency, density and height. Okay, in the table they have already given height. Okay, but here they have given frequency. But what we need frequency density. So by using this data we will find the frequency density. Okay, let's see frequency density. For the first one, frequency density is 6. So let's see we are getting the same here or not. Okay, so frequency density is frequency over class width. Okay, so for the first one, frequency is 120 over class width is 20 minus 0. 20 minus 0 is 20. So cancel the 0. 12 over 2 is 6. So we already got here 6. So no problem. You can move with the same method. Then for the next value we have frequency is 80 over class width is 30 minus 20, that is 10. So cancel the 0, you will get frequency density is 8. So the height is from 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 we got frequency density is 8. Okay. So use pencil and ruler and draw the graph. Okay. Let's see the next one. We have frequency is 124 over class width is 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30 is 10. So we'll get 12.4. Okay. So 12.4. So we just have 12 here. Okay. So we need one line is representing how much in y-axis. Let's see that. So here from here to here we have 2 divided by. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So 2 over 5, that is 0.4. So I will show you how I got 0.4. So 2 over 5. So I will make the denominator 10. So it is easy to find the decimal. So I have to multiply by 2. So if you are multiplying in the denominator, numerator also you have to multiply by the same number. Otherwise the value will change. So 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. So 4 over 10 you will get 0.4. So one line is 0.4 here. So we got the value 12.4 from 30 to 40. So from 30 to 40 we have 12.4. So just one line above 12. Okay. Use pencil and ruler. Okay. So next one, frequency is 76. Class width is 80 minus 40. That is 80 minus 40 is 40. Okay, so here you will get 1.9. So I will show you how I got 1.9. Okay, 76 over 40. Okay, both the numbers are divisible by 2, or directly you can take 4, otherwise you can take 2. Okay, so when you divide this by 2 you will get 20. When you divide 76 by 2 you will get 38. Okay, again both the number are divisible by 2. So here you will get 10, here you will get 19. So 19 over 10 is 1.9. So we'll find where is 1.9 is. So first line is 0.4, then we have 0.8. So 0.8 plus 0.4 is 1.2. Then 1.2 plus 0.4 is 1.6. Okay, then we have 2. 1.6 plus 0.4 is 2. So we just need 1.9. So just draw just below 2. Okay, just below 2. from 40 to 80 because the height range is given 40 to 80. Okay, use ruler, don't draw like this, use ruler and pencil and draw a straight line just below 2. Okay, I hope that question number 2 is clear for you, and if you have any doubt just um, mention in the comment, and if you have any suggestions or if you have anything to tell me, you can use the comment box and explain it. Okay,